There it goes.
Oh, okay.
Ooh. Hey guys, what's up? It's Raven and
What up?
Sadie. This is a really random impromptu vlog, but I thought I would pull out the camera.
Very impromptu.
Because I feel like it's about to get interesting and it's probably gonna be funny. I decided to tell my friends to come over today and see if we could grill something and have a little barbecue, because I just was like, it's a nice sunny day.
It's so nice and hot.
The weather is nice, and I was sitting here on the couch looking out on my patio, which is visible from right here. And I was like, you know what? I have not used that outdoor kitchen, that grill, literally all summer. It is, what, July, end of July already, and that grill has not been used. And I was like, I wanna have a barbecue. My backyard is not all done up yet, like it's gonna be. Next summer, the barbecues will be popping.
It still looks good, y'all.
But y'all know I'm not happy with my current.
Virgo.
I'm not happy with my current setup, but it's functional,
Yes.
and I feel like we should still use it.
It's still a vibe. Just when you get your other thing, it'll be an immaculate vibe.
Yeah, it's not gonna compare. It's gonna be a whole nother thing when I actually get my backyard done. So stay tuned for that. But in the meantime, it's still functional. So I told Sadie come over, Daisha and Rel, and Ziya is up there. Y'all could probably hear her. Where is she? So yeah, Daisha should be here any minute now, right?
Yeah, because
What's your
all she
recommendation?
had to do was go to the gas station, but I just came right here.
Okay, so yeah, Daisha should be here in a few minutes. Rel said he's on his way. Now here's the thing, neither of us are grill connoisseurs, but the type of grill that I have is like, it's easier to use because it's just like a gas grill. So it's pretty much just like your stove, like you just click it on, like it's hooked up to the gas line. So it's not all the like charcoal and like all that extra
The
stuff.
only thing I'm worried about or kind of sad about is for the real immaculate food experience, you usually want to let it marinate like 5 to 6
so we don't even know what we're eating. If we do something simple like
I think
burgers.
Oh yeah, and even shrimp. You like shrimp?
I do.
You want to hit the shrimp again?
Oh.
A lot of people have been getting it.
We've been having in our friend group.
Fresh.
In our friend group, we've been
shrimp.
having a lot of bad experiences with shrimp recently, so I don't know what that's about.
But also in the media too. Yes, a lot of people have been getting sick from shrimp in the media. For real, it's been all over saying like, don't eat the cooked frozen shrimp. You didn't see that? A lot of people have been getting salmonella.
I just know I got sick from some shrimp
look,
recently.
Let me show you.
Oh, the pre-cooked kind?
You know the pre-cooked. It says this outbreak is over, but there was a lot of recalls for the cooked frozen shrimp. Yeah.
Well, we're gonna wait for the rest of the crew to get here and have a little meeting on what we want our menu to be, and then we gotta go to the store and then come back and cook.
Yes.
Look who busting in my house bald headed. You and Rel with the matching hair.
I was trying to tell her about that movie last night. ELYSE.
What?
ELYSE.
What's it called?
What is it? I'm just like bloody rivers plane.
Huh?
Bloody cry plane. Let me see. It was in the top 10. Bloody something with the plane. Oh, blood red sky. This one.
Oh. Ew. You like her hair? You like it better like that or with long hair? Like that.
Yeah.
We team bald head up in here. Ziya knows. Come on, Sadie, you're next. Go ahead, shave it off.
Oh, child, don't tempt me. I don't have a solid head shape. You guys have a good skull. My skull's flat at the back. Tell me that. I need, like, it's flat at the back. I need injections here to give me some girth back here.
Injections?
Like, I need more of this on my skull. It's like this. This is my head shape.
You don't know until you do it, though.
You know how when you first cut your hair off recently, you had longer curls on the top? I might be able to do that, but my skull ain't skulling.
Look at these little flaming hot Cheetos.
I literally said, I was like, she gonna have the camera, and that's gonna be the first thing I say.
What we gonna do? Drumsticks, wingettes, we can do corn.
I'm gonna get some salmon.
Shrimp.
Rel is on a dietary lifestyle change.
No, but I need some salmon too.
We can do salmon. I can grill the salmon.
I want some salmon.
You don't want chicken?
Oh, if you don't want, I thought you said chicken. I don't want chicken. I want shrimp and salmon.
Okay, well there we go.
Okay,
We got
so
some
nobody wants
seafood
chicken.
barbecue.
Because I don't care. Okay, so no chicken.
Damn, a
You
little,
want shrimp?
a little cute sausage would be
A little cute sausage on the side. I'll eat some
a
sausage.
little piggy.
You can do like a shrimp and sausage skewer
Yeah.
Oh, that's cute.
with some peppers in between. I'll cut it up. Yeah, that'd be like a kebab.
Okay, so grilled salmon, shrimp and sausage kebabs. That's enough protein.
I think that's
Yeah, for
enough.
sure.
Pepper and onion. We also need onion on the kebab.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I don't really like healthy sides. I don't know if y'all like my sides and salad.
Yeah. I just want salad.
Yeah.
What
Some
salad?
balsamic dressing on it. Cucumber,
Yeah.
tomatoes,
I like
onion,
that.
A little
Okay, but is it gonna be a balsamic glaze or an avocado crema? Because those are two different
No,
things.
it's gonna be balsamic. Definitely. Yeah, balsamic.
And we can do balsamic. Also, we can do little chunks of that cheese, mozzarella, kind of like a caprese salad. That's what it
That's
kind
not
of
gonna
sounds
melt
like.
into. Oh, I guess
No,
you can foil
caprese.
it.
It's like
A little caprese?
yes.
Yeah.
Yeah. Is that how you say it? I said.
I don't know.
caprese.
Okay, that's fancy.
What about also we could grill some sweet potatoes.
Grow some sweet
Grill.
Oh.
That's a good
I'm doing
side.
a side.
Plant some sweet
Yeah.
potatoes,
That's a
make
really
our
good
own.
side. You can do cube, or you
I'ma
can
do
even
the
do
salad.
like a regular baked potato.
yeah.
You can do.
A sweet potato, baked potato with some brown sugar.
I've never
You
done
can do
that
like fix it up.
on the
make it warm.
grill. I've never
We
done
can do
that.
it.
It's simple. You just wrap it in foil.
I'm sure we can figure it
until
out.
it gets soft. Yeah.
Okay, so we said salmon. What other ingredients for the salmon? Is it just seasoned?
Yeah. I'll get probably onions.
Do you need fresh garlic? Because I don't have any garlic.
Lemon? You put lemon on your salmon?
Yeah, definitely some lemon.
Onion powder, garlic powder.
Then we said shrimp.
I'm probably just gonna eat the salmon, one of these skewers, and call it a day.
Yes. Yeah.
Yeah, you listed everything on the menu. So,
Garlic
yeah.
I'm just gonna have one of each thing and that's it.
Cold chickens. Ooh, this is more than them slushies yesterday. There's a lot of alcohol.
They're enjoying a give us your review.
The best way to describe it is like kind of like a blueberry Jolly Rancher. I can't taste the alcohol at all. Can you?
Good, huh?
Yeah,
Grab that one.
it's good.
I haven't tried that flavor because it didn't sound
I
good
want
to
to
me.
try your drink.
And I would grab it.
The ones
Cranberry
I have
something.
How'd y'all open it?
These are the Slick Spirited Ice, 8% alcohol, fruit flavored popsicle things.
To the HEB, huh?
Dramatic.
But it's
They're
stronger
tasty.
than I had a margarita yesterday. This tastes stronger than the margarita, for real.
But that's not
It's actually
salmon.
really good.
They hooked me up. They sent me like 3 boxes. I think. Oh, they have different ones. That's what it was. So that was the vodka box. This is the rum box.
Oh.
And then they got the tequila box.
Okay, I can really taste the alcohol.
Yes.
That bottom
I
part.
keep sucking the juices
That
up
bottom
and
part,
then
I was like, it got a little in my throat.
That was a shot at the bottom.
Okay, so we about to all ride to the store. I'm driving. We're trying to see who's gonna sit in the middle seat in the back seat, or who gets to sit in the front. And I said it's whoever got the widest hips. But you know, Rel is thick, Sadie is thick,
I ain't got no hip stuff. She got.
Daisha is thick.
I just sit by his side.
they should think you see them cheeks.
We gonna make it where everybody gonna pile in my car so we can go to the so we can go to the grocery store, get these ingredients, and get to cooking.
And we have our list.
Yeah.
I made a list in my phone.
Yalla Habibi.
Yes.
Jahizin.
Huh?
Yalla.
Oh, that means let's go.
Yeah, I'm saying, are y'all ready? Let's go.
Whole squad.
The gang's all here.
Gang's all here. I think this is the first time anybody rode in my car, really.
This seat's comfortably fly.
I have ridden in your car.
Five, Raven.
You have?
Yeah.
This seat's comfortable.
Can y'all fit? How's the space?
It's actually great. I have
With the
lots
car
of leg
seat.
room. Oh, and there's a charger back here. What a great experience.
Oh, you have a cord?
We have arrived at HEB. Daisha ain't even a mom, but she always be in mom mode.
Hold up, where do you want to sit? Mirror right here.
She does both. She heavy now.
All right. I'm lifting weights.
Look at my cute friends.
All right.
Okay, so I got the list on my phone.
Oh, look, this is exactly what we need.
Comfortable in there.
Pre-prep kebabs. Are you gonna eat that?
Yeah, I love mushrooms.
I'm not gonna eat it, so I'm making sure.
I'll eat them all. I love mushrooms.
Okay. All right. We
Anybody
need
else eat
onion,
mushrooms?
garlic, cherry tomatoes, cucumber,
Thank you, ma'am.
mozzarella. Rel walking around like a lost kid.
I'm like, what else? What else? What else? Oh,
I have never in my life.
In the GMO.
Look at this. It's literally the size of Daisha's head. Are you gonna eat some salmon?
Yeah.
Yes. Yes, you are. Shrimp is being peeled and deveined. Large shrimp.
Do not put that in there.
couple little mozzarella balls, which I don't like the way that looks in this container. Yeah, it's giving trypophobia. Trypophobia. It's not small enough to really trigger me, but it's triggering me a little. Yes.
Okay, have you ever looked up the history of trypophobia though?
The history?
Yeah, or where it comes from. Well, so they say. So my friend, one of my best friends that I used to work with, Madison, she also has it. We were looking at pictures one day, and she said, or not she, but the old folks tale is that people with trypophobia have developed it and they would live longer because it's a natural inclination to certain diseases that have holes. So it's supposed to be like a
it's like
survival of the fittest thing.
Instinct, like survival instinct.
Isn't that crazy?
It makes sense because a lot of truly nasty things look like that. Bust out the seasonings. We done about 4 or 5 extra seasonings because apparently what I had was not cutting it.
No, it just, I don't want to be unfamiliar with it and then use it
And you don't know how it's gonna hit.
What have we applied so far?
Okay, so only this. Y'all gonna see most of the White Witch's this. Don't be scared of this. It's just a flavor enhancer, so it's hard to mess this up. It's not real salt. Then we got some garlic salt. You don't want to put too much of this, you know. Sprinkle a little
dash.
bit. Want to get the corners a little bit. And then we have the no salt
2 seconds later.
Tony's.
No salt Tony's.
Yeah.
I never used that one.
You can use a regular salt Tony's, but I like to use a no salt so you can maybe just kind of go crazy with it and as much as you like without it being too salty.
Cooking tips with Rel. And he said massage it in.
Yeah, also too with your salmon, get this side of it too. Get the
nooks and
corners,
crannies.
edges.
I just need to.
Some people eat the skin. If you do eat the skin, flip it over, season that side as well. I just don't eat the actual skin.
I just didn't even want to.
Meanwhile, the shrimp is being washed.
Just rinse right
She's
now.
doing it so aggressively.
Because you gotta just, I don't know. I just do it aggressive. I do most things aggressive.
Onions are being, so that's a good dice.
Yeah, I know.
That's my disclaimer.
See,
Looking good.
Daisha, you doing the thing.
Yeah, that looks nice and healthy, nice and fresh. Oops.
Not going down the pants.
Nice and now we gotta put the balsamic.
Oh, dang, the whole bottle.
Yep.
Let this marinate in the refrigerator while we wait for the rest of the food.
Yay. Got all this shish
got
kebabbing.
bit by
Somebody gonna get shish kebab.
Raven, is this what you use?
No, that's nasty.
Really?
Yes.
Is that the same?
Yes.
Raven,
With the vanilla.
I know it's awkward timing. I want coffee.
You want a coffee right now? So Rel has asked me for one of my world famous foamy coffees, even though it is 7:19 at night and we about to eat seafood. Yeah.
No, but I'm surprised it's 7.
No, I was having it. Y'all seen me do this 49 times. Shout out to the barista who commented on my Instagram reel of me making this coffee. She taught me that after you froth it, you bang it down. And it like, I don't know how to explain it. It like makes it even frothier.
Oh, wow.
Here's your coffee, sir.
Oh, is that already?
It's just a Keurig, it's instant.
Well, thank you.
Not the wasp nest on the grill. How did they get in there? Literally, how did they get in there? Cause I keep it closed. Oh, it's a little hole right here. I think you have to like click it like a stove.
It's letting gas out. Do we light it?
Oh Lord. There it goes.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. Oh. Oh, there it goes. There it goes. Okay, and then close it, and then I guess you can see when it gets up to the right temperature. Okay, salmon on the grill. Shrimp is on standby.
Don't include that.
Drinks have been poured. Not Sadie just chilling with the tongs. Look at that hot mama.
Oh.
She's
Welcome.
single, fellas.
I'm not.
Hit her up at
I am, but I'm not
Sincerely
available.
Sadie
I'm single. I'm ready to mingle slightly.
for the right mingle.
For the mature, grown, communicative, trustworthy mingle. Raven, goodbye.
So timer went off. Let's see what it's looking like. Oh, it looks kind of done. Shrimp going in. So we've got the nice little salad. I don't know what you would technically call this. I don't know if it's a caprese or a Mediterranean salad with the balsamic vinaigrette. We have the shrimp skewers with peppers and onions, and we have the lemon Cajun crusted smoked salmon. Not really smoked salmon, grilled salmon, I guess. Wow, so colorful and healthy. We didn't end up doing the sausage or the sweet potato. Oh, and also Sadie's little stuffed mushrooms. Look at my beautiful plates. Thanks, guys, for the Sunday dinner. Great work. Ice cream time! Ziya is ready. Everybody got their own flavor. We got all different ice cream flavors on deck. Dairy free, strawberry. The moment you've been waiting for.
Oh, say a little prayer.